Hey guys, welcome back to Mr.Laowai-English Tech. Today I have brought very special gadget for this video. This is Honor Magic Pro 16. It's very new. They only launched in China so far, but I have got some information that they are going to launch in international market very soon. So in this video I will tell you everything about this laptop. What's the price, how many colors they are offering, what's the configuration inside, and other stuff as well. So everything I will tell you in this video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. So let's get started. This is the box of MagicBook Pro 16 and I have already unboxed it, and it comes with a powerful 200-watt charger, though the basic model includes a 100-watt charger. The MagicBook Pro 16 is solidly built with a mostly metal body. Both the top lid and the bottom deck are metal, giving it a robust and tight feel. This isn't your average gaming laptop. It stands out with its sleek white and purple design and a cool 3D painted lid. It weighs 1.68 kg and is just 17.9 mm thick, making it sleek and thin considering the powerful hardware inside. It has 6 ports in total. On the left, there's a 3.5 mm audio jack, 2 USB-C ports, one for 10 GB per second, and another Thunderbolt 4 for 40 GB per second that can also charge the laptop. The back has an HDMI 2.0 port, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, and a proprietary charging port. No ports on the right side. One feature I really like is the air vents on all sides, including the bottom. This helps keep the powerful hardware cool by improving airflow. The keyboard is full wide with a numeric pad on the right. The power button doubles as a fingerprint reader for quick logins. The keys are big and have good travel, making the typing for long periods comfortable. It also has an adjustable wide backlight. The trackpad is large with a plastic surface. It works well for gestures, but there's a bit of resistance compared to glass trackpads. There are speaker grills on either side of the keyboard as part of the 6-speaker setup. The sound comes out from these vents upwards and from the front underside of the laptop. The 16-inch display has a 16:10 aspect ratio with a slightly thicker top bezel for the 1080p webcam. The screen to body ratio is 93% and it features a 3K eye comfort LED with a 165 Hz refresh rate and a 3 ms response time. It covers the DCI-P3 and sRGB gamut and can reach 500 nits of brightness, which is better than Xiaomi notebook offer 300 nits brightness. There are also dynamic dimming. It's going to be great. There are also dynamic dimming and ebook modes available in Honor Magic Pro 16. The built-in 75 watt-hours battery offers long hours of video playback, up to 11 hours according to Honor. It's gonna be great. Honor, even with the screen brightness and speaker volume at 100%. This laptop packs an Intel Core Ultra 7, a 155H processor, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, a 1 TB SSD, and an 8 GB Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 GPU. It has 16 cores and 22 threads, including performance and efficiency cores. There is also a model with an Intel Core Ultra 5 and 16 GB of RAM. The MagicBook Pro 16 is future-proof for at least 5 years, especially for light gaming and office work. Currently, it's only available in China. The base model with a Core Ultra 5 processor with 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage cost 6,199 Chinese yuan, while the high-end model with 32 GB RAM and 1 TB storage cost almost 10,000 Chinese yuan. We expect the global price to be a bit higher. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.